Good morning, sir. I'm Tagak Almichin, and this is my report in page 20, number 28. So, question. The point -3 and -4 divides the line joining the A -6 and -7 and B in the ratio of 1:3. Find the coordinates of B. The answer is 3 and 2. Step 1. Identify the given information. First, the point that divides the line segment is B. X and Y is equal to -3 and -4. Second, the first endpoint is A. X sub 1 and Y sub 2 is equal to -6 and 7. Third, the ratio in which the line is divided is MN is equal 1 and 3. Step 2. Understand the formula. We use the section formula to solve this problem. The formula for a point P is X and Y that divides a line segment joining A, X sub 1 and Y sub 2, and B is X sub 2 and Y sub 2 into the ratio of NX is close open parenthesis X sub 1 is equal to NX sub 2 plus NX sub 1 over M plus 2 and My sub 2 plus NY sub 1 over M plus N. Substitute the X coordinates or X sub 2. So -3 is equal to X sub 2 minus 18 over 4. -3 times 4 is equal to Y sub 2 -18. So, -3 times 4 is equal to -12 is equal to X sub 2 minus 18. X sub 2 is equal to -12 plus 18. The final answer is X sub 2 equals 6. Next, Y coordinates or Y sub 2. So, -4 is equal to Y sub 2 minus 21 over 4. So, -4 times 4 is equal to Y sub 2 minus 21. So, -16 is equal to Y sub 2 minus 21. Y sub 2 is equal to -16 plus 21. The final answer is Y sub 2 is equal to 5. Step 3. State the final coordinates. Based on the calculation, the coordinates of point B are 6 and 5. It is important to note that the answer provided in a book is 3 and 2. Appears to be incorrect based on the standard application of the section formula to the origin problem. And this is my graph, sir.